Alright, so in this quick video, we're going to show you how Lumentis can be used for a local retail store. So we are already logged into Lumentis and we're centered in a particular location. All these dots represent unique households that are plotted out here on Google Maps. So let's look at a particular location of a store. This address is one of my wife's favorite places to go. It's just called Home Goods. Home Goods is a retail store. It sells all sorts of different products, wide varieties. Most of their customers tend to be women. So let's look at kind of what are some of the households within their region and what does it look like. So this is a zoomed out view of probably about 5-10 mile radius here. And what we see are a wide variety of different households on the map, each represented by a different color of household. In this case, different children who are in the household. We can also look at income and education levels and all sorts of other things. So you can see there's quite a mix. So let's zoom back in and start looking at particular personas in the region. So let's look for people who are within a specific salary range and view just those. Let's look at homeowners. All right, we have mostly homeowners here, a few renters, but let's just filter it down just to take a look at what we have. And let's say, in this case, that this particular retailer is wanting to reach language-specific households. So let's filter this on language, people who speak Spanish. All right. So as you can see, there's plenty of households in this region which speak Spanish. Now let's start selecting some regions to see how many people are here. So I'm going to draw an area around probable routes of people who might be coming in to Home Goods. Let's see how many households we have here. All right, 741 households for people that own their house, are making these salary ranges, and speak Spanish. So let's zoom out one more time and kind of see maybe if there's some additional areas which we can capture. And it definitely looks like it. So we're only interested probably in people who are driving a certain distance. So let's expand our reach up here just a little bit. And let's bring it down to include additional areas down here. All right, so now our count is up to 1,400. We've doubled it. And these people are all within approximately about a 15-minute drive of Home Goods. So now Home Goods could say, hey, let's run a campaign specific to this audience for reaching these people which are in good driving distance, with the most likelihood of participating in a specific campaign targeted at these Spanish-speaking homeowners making a certain salary range. So now they could target this audience with a particular campaign, whether it's email or a mail campaign or a Facebook campaign, with a specific, maybe a coupon or something along those lines to be able to get people into the store and buying product. So now all we would have to do is just come in here, buy this data, and you would have it at your disposal for reaching this very specific audience. So whether it's online or offline, after we've ordered our data, we can start using this information to create segmented campaigns in our email, in our Facebook, our other paid media sources, our direct mail, or our call centers, or whatever it may be, to attract an audience into our retail locations. It's as simple as that. So let's start finding our next customer.